What's up, y'all? What is the first thing you lose when you get a new iPhone? Your freaking headphones. Every iPhone comes with new headphones, right? Well, guess what? I got a solution for you. So Amazon has a deal on Apple iPhones and earphones. And guess what? They are tested and approved by the company. So I ordered me 2 pair. These 2 pair were less than $20. And guess what? They are certified by Apple. So you don't have to worry about them breaking down. You don't have to worry about them not working correctly. And you get 2 pair. So they do have the certification that's right up in here. You do have the certification for it, which means it is compatible with your iPhone. This little blue little thing right here, it comes right off. Okay, like that. And see, it even has the little protective little case. And then you just stick it in your phone and they work. Don't go to Apple and pay $30 for a replacement. Go right to Amazon, get you a 2-pack. I'm gonna put these up, these right here. I'm gonna put these up for a rainy day. Get you a 2-pack for less than $20. Guess what? Click the link and visit my Amazon webpage, and I'll show you where you can get a 2-pack for $20. Click that link right now, y'all. Hey, y'all. So, times is getting real funny right now. And we are experiencing so many water shortages. We are experiencing hard water. The water is ruining our hair. The water is ruining our skin. So guess what? I found the solution to this problem, y'all. It's box opening time. So I went to Amazon and let me show y'all what I bought. Hold on. Show y'all what I got. So I went to Amazon and I ordered me a Nearmoon shower head. This is great for hard water. It's self-installable. You can install it yourself. And as long as you read the instructions and you hook it up right, y'all, oh my God, you're gonna thank me later because your skin is going to feel amazing. So I have one now that we've used for like 6 months already. And I could have just replaced the filter in it, but since we're moving to a new place, I wanted to get a new one. And if you see this sticker right here, it says this one is black. Okay, so I'm gonna open this up and I'm gonna show y'all what's in there. Now this has in the filter. Oh, hold on. Okay, so of course it gives you the steps on how to set it up and everything, step by step. Okay, gives you all the steps on how to set it up. Okay, it shows you the filter cartridges and everything. Now the one I had before was silver, but like I said, we're moving to a new place, so I wanted to get a different one. So I ordered this black one. Now this, you can undo your traditional shower head that you already have, okay? And this right here has, if you hear them beads, it has like the little filter in it. Okay, so this has like a little filter, and if you'll hear the beads, this is what the water comes through to take all the chemicals out, all the hard water, the grain, the grit, all that nasty, yucky stuff that makes our skin itch, makes our skin dry, tears up our hair. But what you want to do before you actually start using this, you want to take some water and you want to let it run. So you want to install this first, okay? And you want to turn the water on and let the water run through it for about, I say 10 minutes. I think it says like, let's see. I don't know how long it says on here. It'll tell you on the instructions, but I let it run for like 10 minutes. But from my experience, I let mine run for about 10 minutes just so it can get, because the water gonna start out, you know, kind of dirty looking and everything. But after 10 minutes, you'll see that the water is clear, and that means you've washed all the impurities away. So that's that part. And then it does come with these two little rings. You want to make sure you read the instructions so you can hook it up and you can set it up right. Now this is my favorite part. You get a replacement filter, y'all. So this one was only, it was less than $30, okay? And you get a replacement. So I would say use it for about 6 months and then change this out, okay? Because everything wears out. Let's be real, everything wears out. So that's the good thing about this. For less than $30, you get a replacement. But you see, it's already one in there, okay? And if you click that link and visit my Amazon page, it'll take you directly to the one that I purchased. Yes, yes. And you will not be disappointed. Okay, it also comes with like this little tape that you want to wrap around to keep water from leaking out. And then it comes with these little tools, this little net thing. Once you read the instructions, you'll see where everything go. But you will need all of this just to install it correctly. This is my favorite part. So you want to feel like you're in a spa or something like this. So this part connects to this part right here, okay? You take this out, you just twist it around, and so it kind of curves over. Look at how beautiful this black looks. But this right here is how the water is gonna come out. So you're gonna feel like you're in a rainforest almost, y'all. And I'm telling you, I promise you, once you install this and you install it right and you take your first shower, you're absolutely going to feel the difference in your skin. So when I first got mine and I was the first one to take a shower, my skin is bad. I deal with eczema, and I see why, because of the water. The water is hard. So when I first installed this, y'all, my skin was not dry when I got out the shower. I kid you not, my skin felt so good. Now I still put some coconut oil on my skin, you know, because eventually it probably get a little ashy. But when I hooked this up, I totally saw the difference in my showers before I bought this and after I bought this. So y'all, make sure y'all click that link in the description, visit my Amazon page, and buy this product. You will not be disappointed. Now let me show you, I'm gonna show you my old one that I had so you could see exactly what I'm talking about, how it's gonna look once it's set up and how the water is gonna come out, and you're gonna feel so good. It is time for me to replace it. Like I said, we've been using it for about 6 months now, so it is time to replace it, but you'll get the idea. All right, so this is the old one that we had, and you see this part right here, it just screws on, okay, to this. This is where that filter is. Now, I very well could have just bought the replacement filters, which are in here, but like I said, the way I'm finna decorate the new bathroom, I wanted the black one. So this is after 6 months worth of use, so you could tell we've been using it a lot, but that's how the water comes out. And even though we've had this for 6 months, it's still like a good shower, but once I replace it, I'm definitely gonna be able to tell the difference. These don't get clogged up. That's another reason I like the Nearmoon, because with some of the other ones, they get clogged up. But all of these are still working, which they do give you replacement, these little silver things. But this has been working just fine for us, and it doesn't clog up. Alright, y'all see it. So when this thing gets to steaming, yes sir, it's gonna be a nice little shower episode. Alright y'all, so like I said, make sure you visit my Amazon page. From this link, pick up your Nearmoon shower head. Y'all, stop trusting this water. We have to take care of ourselves. We have to, you know, do our research and figure out, okay, why is my skin so dry? Why is it? This is why. Like I said, when I replaced mine, had no problems. All right, have a good day.